On a quiet night, long before hashtags and headlines, humans once believed the stars spoke. In ancient Greece, they called them asteras planetae, wandering lights. In China, they were huixing broom stars that swept messages across the sky. In Mayan astronomy, comets were timekeepers, warnings, and renewals. In Islamic Golden Age star charts, they were recorded with careful geometry and humility. In Norse myth, they were sparks from the forge of the gods. And in 2025, humanity gave one a modern name: 3I Atlas, a planet watching together. This wasn't just a scientific event, it was a human one. Across the United States, families bundled up in backyards, kids pointing phones at the sky while parents adjusted tripods. In Chile, professional observatories shared raw data while local farmers looked up between rows of vineyards. In Japan, astronomy clubs gathered before sunrise, bowing slightly before setting their telescopes, a quiet ritual of respect. In India, teachers turned rooftops into classrooms, blending physics with philosophy. In Nigeria, astrophotography groups met under dark skies, proving science has no borders. In Brazil, live streams mixed astronomy with music and laughter. In Germany, precision optics met patient silence. In France, cafe conversations drifted from art to astrophysics. In Australia, the southern hemisphere offered rare angles of the visitor's fading glow. In South Africa, elders told children stories while scientists recorded spectra. In Canada, frost covered telescopes as auroras danced nearby. In Italy, astronomers narrated live feeds with poetry. In Mexico, students asked the same question humans have always asked: where did it come from? From giant telescopes to kitchen table science. Some watched with spacecraft and billion-dollar instruments. Others watched with old binoculars, phone cameras taped to eyepieces, homemade Dobsonian mounts, cardboard light shields, star tracking apps, printed sky charts, red flashlights made from candy wrappers, DIY telescope kits, garage-built mounts, backyard observatories made from sheds. This was citizen science, STEM education, family bonding, maker culture, DIY engineering, and night sky therapy all at once. People weren't just observing a comet, they were learning how to see. What science says and what curiosity asks. Science is careful, science is honest. It tells us 3I Atlas follows a hyperbolic trajectory. Its chemistry suggests formation in another star system. Its behavior fits known comet physics. There is no evidence of artificial origin. There is no danger to Earth. And then curiosity quietly asks, why does interstellar dust look different? Why does this comet reflect light oddly? What star did it come from? How many like it pass unseen? What stories did it carry before it reached us? Science doesn't silence wonder, it channels it. The soundtrack of the sky. As people watched, music played. Ambient space playlists, classical pieces by Holst and Debussy, lo-fi beats under star charts, indigenous drums echoing old sky stories, synthwave tracks inspired by galaxies, meditation music synced to star movement. Astronomy crossed into music niches, meditation niches, sleep science, creativity, focus and productivity, mental wellness, night routines, ASMR sky sounds, relaxation content, cosmic mindfulness. Looking up became calming. Yes, even hairstyles were noted. In livestream chats and photos, something unexpected appeared. People noticed wind-tousled hair under cold skies, beanies pulled low, headlamps glowing red, ponytails whipping in night wind, braids inspired by constellations. messy astronomy hair, space-themed hoodies, galaxy prints, star-patterned scarves. It became part of the moment, proof that science isn't sterile. It's human. Ancient words for new eyes. At the end of the night, people shared words from the past. Cosmos, Greek for order and beauty. Firmament, the sky is a structure. Void, not empty, but full of possibility. Wanderer, messenger, traveler, visitor, harbinger, pilgrim. Not because the comet meant something mystical, but because humans express wonder through language. The ending that matters. 3i. Atlas didn't change the world. It didn't deliver answers carved in stone. It did something quieter. It reminded us that the universe is older than our worries. Curiosity still unites us. Knowledge grows when shared. Wonder is not childish. Looking up is still allowed. And somewhere, far beyond our reach now, the traveler continues silent, ancient, indifferent while we remain here, still watching the stars.